Hey guys, Kappa here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Fortress 27-gallon 200 PSI air compressor. Now this is obviously a stand-up compressor. It takes up a little less space in my shop, and that's what I'm hoping for. I'm purchasing it so that I can do some future stuff on some cars, maybe do paint job, body work, things like that. Okay, so the Fortress models are Harbor Freight's performance models, and they're also considered their quieter models. Now, if you try to put it up against a regular compressor, it's going to be a little bit quieter than your standard compressor, but it's still fairly loud. The things that I do like about it right away is that it has like this roll cage, so if it does fall over, it seems like it would be protected. We wouldn't be damaging the motor or any of the valves or anything like that. Gauges would be protected. The tires that they also include with it are not air-filled tires, but they also, don't run flat either. It seems like they're able to go over the off-road pretty damn easy. Just my first thing is this drain is just a hair low, because as I was bringing it over to my shipping container, I did hit the drain on a stump, but it shouldn't be a problem. I like the panel here with the built-in regulator. It actually has two hookups so that you can hook two compressor tools up, and they're quick disconnect. It's not like one that you have to slide back and put in. You just literally push it in and it works. It came pre-assembled out of the box. There really wasn't much I had to do to it. I had to put the hose rack on the side, and that was about it. As you can see, there's a pressure relief valve on the left-hand side, and it's all piped together. It must be a one continuous piece. It's not like a bunch of pieces together, so there shouldn't be too many leaks, if any, at all. And here you can see the quick connect. It's pretty easy. You just push it in, and the only time you actually have to slide it back is when you're trying to disconnect it. The built-in regulator is adjustable from 0 PSI to 155 PSI. This is the dryer regulator that I purchased so that when I'm going to paint, I can just pop this bad boy in there, keep our regulator on this compressor maxed out, and then adjust it here. So the car we ended up picking up was an 87 Caprice 4-door. What we're going to do is strip it down to bare metal, epoxy it. We're going to put candy paint on it, put some hydraulics on it, probably do the interior and everything, right here in my driveway. So if that's something that you're interested in, this is going to be probably an ongoing project for a few months anyway. So like and subscribe, and if you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section. Just a heads up, this compressor didn't actually do good enough to be able to do any body work or anything. So I mean, it's a decent compressor as long as you're just going to be filling up tires and maybe running, air tool for like just a few seconds. But if you ran a DA or anything, sandblaster, it's just not going to hang. So just keep that in mind when you have to buy another compressor later.